Greetings. In this video I want to show you how to use a rinse-free shampoo cap. So my lovely mom just got out of the hospital and she is not able to get into a shower or to the bath. So we have several of these. It's a one-time use shower cap. This particular one is done by Fresh Scent Scrubzz. I'll put a link in the comment section for Amazon where you can purchase these. We've already done it a few times. It's pretty self-explanatory. The only thing you need is your shower cap and a towel, and that's what you're going to be using to dry. And I will tell you exactly how to use it. So pretty much first thing we want to do is we're going to microwave the shower cap anywhere from 8 seconds to as much as 20 seconds. You don't want to do it longer than that because you will burn the person using it. So let's go ahead and microwave. Okay, so let's go ahead and microwave it. You can put it on a plate, but I'm just going to put it in like this. And it's not going to make it too hot, just warm. So let's go 10 seconds. Let's go over here. And it's just going to be warm to the touch. Yep. She's got a broken right arm. So if you have to get someone to help you, that's probably better. If they have like an injured hand or whatever, or if they're sick. And you'll have a lot of people in medical situations to where they can't get into the shower. So as you can see here, I'm massaging really good. Again, they said 2 to 3 minutes, but there's nothing wrong with keeping it on there for 5 to 10 minutes while you're massaging. So the way I liken it, it's like washing clothes in a washer. It's not just the soap and water that makes the clothes clean, it's the friction of the clothes rubbing against each other. So the more that you can rub the hair with the soap, the better. It's not like some kind of magical cap that you put on that will magically get clean. You have to actually put friction on there. Alright, and so we remove the cap. So that's pretty much it. Now you just dry. And that's pretty much how to use the shower cap. It's fairly simple to do. And it's an affordable way to wash your hair. Is it perfect? Is it like going into a shower and shampooing? No, but it's still a good option. Alright, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe.